Welcome to Teacher of the Word. We're definitely in the last days. This is why it's important to be in your right mind. In 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 6 to 9, here's what it says. It says, "Wherefore I put thee in remembrance that thou stir up the gift of God, which is in thee, by putting on my hands. For God hath not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, but of love, and a sound mind. Be thou therefore not ashamed of the gospel of our Lord, nor of me a prisoner, but be thou partaker of the afflictions of the gospel, according to the power of God, who has saved us, called us with his holy calling, not according to our works, but according to his purpose and grace, which is given with us in Jesus Christ, before the world began."